Okay, here's a quick unboxing video for the Logitech G933 Spectrum headsets. I already took the 3 stickers off that were on the bottom here, holding on the bottom part. There's that. Got the headphones themselves. Take this out. Looks like we've got some cables here. And a quick setup. Oh, that's permanently attached. All right, so a quick setup guide down there. Let's take the cables out. We'll go over those real quick. Looks like an RCA to 3.5 millimeter. This is that detachable dongle thing. It's got its own microphone and volume control. And this is a braided USB cable. All right, that's it.